Today I will show you how to make AI animated cartoon videos, completely free.
Name's Karen.
Here's what we will create.
Do not stop moving!
Everything, from the script to the voiceover, characters and animations, are generated using free AI tools that anyone can use. In this video, I will show you the exact steps I use to make this animation, and you will be amazed how easy it is. Once you know this system, you can turn almost any story idea into your own animated movie. If you want me to make more such videos, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To create the animated videos, we are going to follow 6 simple steps. Step 1 is to turn your idea into a cinematic story. Watch this. ChatGPT turns our story idea into a structured storyboard, and here's what it looks like brought to life.
Name's Karen.
We will use this prompt template that turns any idea into a full cinematic plan. Simply enter your story idea, fill in the theme, mood, and target age group. Then copy the template. Open ChatGPT, paste the template, and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT gives us a complete blueprint for our story, with characters, settings, and even dialogues for each character, plus image and animation prompts, all ready to bring your idea to life. With your story fully mapped out, let's move on to step 2, creating voiceovers for your dialogues. First, I will show you a very popular studio quality option, and then I will share a completely free method that works just as well. Here's what the AI voiceover sounds like in an animated scene.
Do not stop moving!
Once these voices are ready, we will create the characters and make them speak exactly like this. To get started, open 11 Labs and create a free account. On the right panel, you can preview the voices. As we have 2 characters, you will have to shortlist 2 voices. You can filter voices by language, category, and age to quickly find the one you want. For the first character's voice, let's choose this one. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the first dialogue. Paste it here and hit Generate Speech. Within seconds, the narration will be ready.
Jungle.
Repeat this
Show me what
process
you've
for the dialogues of both the characters and download them. Now for the free and unlimited method to generate text-to-speech, ChatGPT can handle that for you. Simply go back to ChatGPT. Enter this line. Replace dialogue with your actual dialogue and hit Send. Right below your dialogue text, you will see some icons. Just click the 3 dots and hit Read Aloud.
Okay, Jungle, show me what you've got.
If you want to change the voice, on the bottom left, click your profile icon and select Settings. A pop-up window will appear. Click on the General tab, and under Voice, use the drop-down to pick a voice you like. ChatGPT will then use this voice to read your texts. You can also switch the language if you want. But there's a catch. There is no option to save the audio. For an easy workaround, open this Chrome extension, and you will need a Chrome browser for that. Now click Add to Chrome to install the extension. And don't forget to pin the extension for quick access later. To record your audio, switch back to your ChatGPT tab and click on the extension. Then hit Audio Capture to begin recording. Play the narration again, and the voiceover will get recorded.
Okay, Jungle. Show me what you've got.
When finished, click the extension again and hit Stop and Save Recording to download the audio. Repeat this process for all the dialogues you want to convert into audio.
Okay, Jungle. Show me what you've got.
And that's it. Now you know how to generate unlimited audio narrations for free. With our voices ready, let's move on to step 3 and bring our characters to life visually. Before generating scenes, we will first create the reference images for our characters. This is very important for consistency. Using the character descriptions from ChatGPT, I generated front-facing images of the boy and the fox on a plain white background. With just these 2 images, let me show you what's possible. Here's the boy running through a rocky forest cliff with bioluminescent mushrooms. And here's the fox sitting near a sparkling magical waterfall, perfectly consistent across scenes. Now imagine this. Both characters running through the rocky forest path or chilling near a magical waterfall. Every scene, visually cohesive and fully consistent. Let me show you this in action. The best part, you don't need Photoshop. You don't even need any drawing skills. Let me walk you through how it's done. To create these scenes, we will use Nano Banana Pro inside Google Gemini. Open Gemini and switch to thinking mode. Then select Create Image to access Nano Banana Pro. You may also pick a style for your image from the available templates. Then upload your character reference images. First the boy, then the fox. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt. Then paste it into Gemini. Set the aspect ratio and hit Submit. Within seconds, Nano Banana generates a perfectly consistent image, exactly as you had described. For example, here's the boy and the fox exploring the river of reflections. And here they are looking at the colorful snow falling. Notice how the characters stay consistent, even though the environments change. Repeat this process for all scene prompts and download the images. Generate at least 2 variations per scene, so you have more options when creating the video. Now we have a complete visual storyboard for our film, but these images are still static. In step 4, we will animate our images. For this, we will use Grok. Open Grok and click Imagine. These are the videos generated by the community. Click on the Video tab, select Animate Images, and upload one of your scene images. Then choose your preferred resolution and video duration. In the prompt field, paste the animation prompt you had generated in ChatGPT and hit Create. Within seconds, the AI transforms your still image into a smooth, cinematic video. Repeat this process for the rest of your scenes and download the videos. Now our scenes are fully animated, but the characters still aren't speaking. In step 5, we will lip sync the characters. For this, we will use Latent Sync, a free and open-source lip sync tool developed by ByteDance. It's a powerful solution that you can install locally, allowing you to generate unlimited lip-synced videos without restrictions. For this tutorial, we will use latentsync.org. Once you are inside, you will notice that the interface is pretty straightforward. First, upload your original video in the Video Control section. Then upload the audio file you'd like to sync in the Audio Input section. Make sure the video and audio are the same length. Click Submit, and within seconds the character will be perfectly lip-synced.
Okay, Jungle. Show me what you've got. Name's Karen.
Now let me show you a super fast way of using Grok's built-in lip sync. Open Grok and click Imagine. Upload your image. Enter your image to video prompt. Go back to ChatGPT and copy one or both characters' dialogues exactly as it appears. Paste the dialogue along with your animation prompt. Then hit Create. Here's the result.
Okay, Jungle. Show me what you've got.
It's insanely easy. Now the big question, which one is actually better? Here's a quick side-by-side comparison.
Okay, Jungle. Show me what you've got.
Okay, Jungle. Show me what you've got.
Comment below and tell me your pick. One important thing to remember, not every generation will be perfect. Sometimes the video might feel slightly off, and that's completely normal. So here's a simple trick. Generate at least 2 versions of each scene. Compare them side by side and choose the one that feels more natural, more emotional, and more cinematic. Once done, save the best videos in a folder to keep them organized. And just like that, we went from a simple idea to dynamic, talking, cinematic scenes. Step 6 is stitching everything together. I will use CapCut, but you can use any video editor you like. Open CapCut and click Create Project. Import all your video clips by dragging them into the left panel. Arrange them on the timeline in order and trim any unnecessary parts. You can also add background music to enhance the cinematic feel. Once everything looks good, on the top right, click Export to download your video.
Name's Karen. This jungle's full of tricks, huh?
Only the good ones. Keep up.
Did you see that? Do not stop moving!